Dan says, when times get tough,
and you've had enough,
be a pro
and have another go. Bonjour, everyone.
Bonjour, everyone.
Where do they say that greeting, Nikia?
They say that in France, Jess.
Oh, cool. Do you remember what we did in Kiwi last week?
We learnt about the different emotions we feel. We also played musical emotions and a picture quiz with Ruth and Jen.
Ah, so now we know that we can feel different types of emotions. Nikia and I are going to show you guys at home some ways that you can make yourself feel better.
Alright guys, it's time to do our Energizer scramble throw. For this Energizer, you'll need to get a few things from around home. You'll need to get a target, like a box or laundry basket, 5 random things to throw from, something to throw into the target, like socks or a paper ball, and most importantly, permission from your parent or caregiver before you get started. Hey Mum, can I please play scramble throw for Kiwi can?
Just be careful, don't break anything.
Yes! The next thing you have to do after receiving permission from your parent or caregiver is to place the 5 random items that you gathered from around home on the floor in random areas. This will make it a little bit challenging for you to throw the paper ball or socks into the target. How did you guys go? Was it too easy or did you have to show a little bit of resilience? If it was easy, try and find a little box to use as your target to make it a little bit harder. Remember, if you miss the target, keep trying. I want you to show resilience and never give up. Today we are learning how to deal with emotions when things change.
Nikia, what are some things that have changed for you?
I've moved house and had to make some new friends, and we also have been all in lockdown.
How did that make you feel?
Well, at first I felt a little weird because I was in a new environment, and during lockdown I've been bored and grumpy.
Oh, what did you do to make yourself feel better?
I made a fun obstacle course to do, played some board games and listened to music.
Awesome, they sound like some really good solutions. So, for the people who are watching at home, Nikia and I, we want to know what are some things that have changed for you? How did it make you feel? And what did you do to make yourself feel better?
Remember, if you're feeling sad or lonely, don't be afraid to share how you feel with someone.
Hey guys, guess what? It's time to do our activity! Today we're learning how to deal with our emotions when things change. So sometimes when we're finding something really, really hard and we're getting really upset, we can try a couple of things to help us calm down. In today's game, we're going to learn 4 ways that can help you calm down. Are you ready? Itu, and copy after me. It's really important that you copy all these moves and learn them because that's what we're going to do in our game. So our first move is how to breathe. So what I want you to do is I want you to breathe in, hold it, and then breathe out. Ready? Breathe in and breathe out. How does breathing help us calm down? Breathing helps you become calmer because you're focusing on the breath coming in and going out. So instead of breathing really fast and getting upset, you breathe slower and it can help you be more calm. The next strategy is to be a fly on the wall. What does a fly do? Fly is really small, and it buzzes around everywhere. Are you ready? Put your wings out. Start flapping them. Let's go. Well done. How does being a fly help us be calm? If you're like a fly, that means that you take a step back from the problem and you look at it from a distance so that you don't get upset. So maybe you go take a walk and then you come back. You fly around. The third one is called asking for help. What do you do when you ask a question in class? You sit down and your arms up. If you're finding something really hard and you're getting quite upset, sometimes it's really good to ask an adult or someone else, one of your friends, for help with the problem. That can help you become calm. The fourth thing you can do to keep calm is to never give up. For example, if you were going to climb a mountain, you have to keep going to get to the top. Never giving up helps you deal with your emotions because you go through them and come out the other side stronger. Let's see if you guys can remember all the moves. The first one is breathe. Ready? Breathe. The second one is fly. Are you ready? Fly! Go, flies! Breathe. The next one is ask for help. Go! Did you beat me? Are you ready? We'll do the same one again. Ready, set, go! Ask for help. Did you beat me again? Bye. Right, the next one is never give up. Are you ready? Go! Good job. If you need to practice those 4 moves, pause the video now and go away and practice them. Now I'm going to ask you one of those 4 moves. Breathe, fly, ask for help, or never give up. I'm going to do them in different orders and I'm going to change how fast we do them. Let's see if you can keep up. Are you ready? Fly. Never give up. Fly. Ask for help. Never give up. Ask for help. Never give up. Fly. Breathe. Fly. Never give up. Never give up. Fly. Breathe. Breathe. How did you go? Did you keep up? Remember, if you're feeling really sad or grumpy or upset about something, try one of those 4 things. It might help you calm down and feel better.
I was wondering what emotions that everyone at home could be feeling during that activity. What do you think, Nikia?
Did you feel happy, sad, excited, angry or confused?
Was it really hard or super duper easy? When you felt like that, what did you do?
Did you get angry and stop playing? Or did you keep going and show resilience?
If you're finding something really hard, Nikia is going to tell you what you should do.
You should show resilience and keep trying. You could also ask for help and never give up.
Ka pai.
Hey Jess, do you know what time it is?
I don't know. What time is it, Nikia?
It's time for GKQ!
Yes! Alright, Nikia, what animal neighs?
A horse maze.
Correct.
Jess, what type of ball do tennis players use?
A tennis ball.
Well done.
Nikia, which animal lives under the sea?
It's the fish.
Good job.
Hey Jess, what is the season called when the leaves fall off the trees?
In New Zealand, we call it autumn.
Yeah, well done. Hey Jess, can you remember what we talked about today?
We learned how to deal with our emotions when things change. What are some things that we have learnt in KiwiCan today?
We learnt different ways to calm down when things change that make us feel different emotions.
Such as hugs, food, sleeping, walking, playing, smiling, running, or reading.
It's now time to say goodbye in French. Are you ready?
Yep, let's go. Au revoir, everyone.
Au revoir, everyone.
KiwiCan says, when times get tough,
And you've had enough.
be a pro.
And have another go.